So to start off, we're going to begin at the library homepage, which is tmcc.edu/library. And we're going to scroll to either our library catalog search or a little bit further down to databases. In either section, we are going to go to our databases list. So again, you can go to library catalog search to databases or click on the tile that says databases, and then we're going to scroll and we're looking through the A through Z databases list. When I click on that, it has a list of all of our databases, but today we're going to just pick a particular subject, and since APA is the American Psychological Association's industry format, let's look at psychology. So under all subjects, I'm going to scroll down to psychology, and we have several psychology databases, but we're just going to pick this first one under APA Psych Articles. And when I click on this database, it's going to open. And for today's lesson, we're going to just put in a couple of terms. Today, how about we start with bipolar? And as I start to type it, it will auto-populate. When I click on bipolar disorder, I'm going to click search. We're not going to apply any filters since this is just to show how to open a database article and utilize the citation generator.